Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a very healthy seed cracker, and feel free to adjust the ingredients to your liking. This has flax seeds in it, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, lots of good stuff. So let's get to making it, but first I was inspired by this song. Please let this recipe turn out. It is so easy to make, and all I want is a cracker. It's got pumpkin seeds in it. It's got chia seeds too. Since I found this recipe, hoping it's a crunchy cracker to eat. First things first, preheat your oven to 360 degrees. Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Add the amount of salt that you want. So I'm just gonna sort of sprinkle some on top here. I don't think it quite needs this much. Probably a 1/4 teaspoon would suffice. Add some paprika. And I don't think I want the whole thing. Dry oregano. This is about a 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to put all of that in to add flavor. Mix together. I want to distribute this as evenly as possible. Add in your water. Let's just coat that all together. Let's sit for 20 minutes while those chia seeds expand. That is the bonding agent to this. Notice how all that water got absorbed. So go ahead and put it on your cookie sheet that has parchment paper on it or is well sprayed. It's kind of goopy right now. Okay, go ahead and spread it out as evenly as possible. It does not need to be perfect. Nobody's going to judge you for the shape of your crackers. Into the oven for 30 minutes until it's cracker-like, golden brown. Time is up. It's looking golden brown. Let's take it out. Ooh, it actually looks like a cracker, so that's a good thing. I'll let it sit here for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna break it apart. I changed my mind and have decided it might be easier to cut it when it's warm. So it is actually kind of hot right now, but I'm gonna cut it anyway. Look at this healthy seed cracker, which you can make with whatever seeds you like and whatever spices as well. Take a look. Look at the back. Look at that on the side. This is a great looking cracker, and it was so easy to make, and it's very, very healthy with the chia seeds, the pumpkin seeds, the sunflower seeds. Am I missing a seed? Flax seeds? Let's give it a try, because that's what it's all about. It's all about the taste. So let's see what we think. This is a great, healthy cracker that you can make for yourself. I could see having this as an afternoon snack, layering some peanut butter on top of that too. Love that idea very much. Maybe some jelly on top of that. I don't know. Possibilities are endless. If I can make these healthy seed crackers for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Make for your family and friends. Let me know if you make it and what ingredients you add into yours. I want to know. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram and now TikTok for so much more, like really a lot more.